right. We're not going to really keep it this way, though.
No?
Huh?
No, we're going to paint over the sword and replace it with a baguette.
Oh!
Also, we don't know what to do with this.
Whatever, Ross. Just replace the bulbs and the brake lights after you're done.
Hey. Sorry.
Where's my purse? No, you know what? I can replace everything in there. Get that binder and let's go!
Do you even know how long you're going to be gone?
Well, just until we find an energy source to replace fuel.
Oh. Well, I'll write you every day. 15 Yemen Road, Yemen.
Okay. Goodbye.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word replace. It means to assume the former role, position, or function of, substitute for, a person or thing. Electricity has replaced gas in lighting. Also means to provide a substitute or equivalent in the place of, to replace a broken dish. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce replace, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to please. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how replace is used in real life.
So I'm going to replace a word he used a lot with the word puppy.
Just replace the bulbs and the brake lights after you're done.
Well, just until we find an energy source to replace fuel.
No, we're going to paint over the sword and replace it with a baguette.
Where's my purse? No, you know what? I can replace everything in there. Get that.
I'll replace it, I promise. I feel so terrible.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.